Hi, today I want to show you a quick tip in Kdenlive. I'm using the version 24.02.2. In one of my older videos, I've shown you the pillar echo effect before. It's basically used to fill the black space in the vertical video. For example, I've got the recording from my phone here, and you can see there are two black space on the side. And the pillar echo effect is to echo the screen here, and basically you can see. So now, because this one is a screencast, so sometimes when I try to show something entering text or something like that, I would like to zoom in so the viewer can read the text easily. So what I'm going to do is use the transformer here, and you can already see there's a problem here. Doesn't look right. Now I'm going to move the transformer to the top. So the transformer is above the pillar echo effect. Now you can see it's correct here. So let me try to put a keyframe here and maybe another one here. So I can zoom in a little bit, like for example 150. So you can see it's cropped on both sides. I can turn the pillar echo effect off. Then you can see this is the zoom in screen. My workaround in this case is I'm going to use the same clip here, drag it from the video icon. You don't need the audio track, so it goes down here. Now I put the pillar echo effect here. Now the two clips are showing the same image. And you can see the pillar echo effect is changing accordingly. The problem now, if I move it, then they are separate. So what I have to do is use a shift button to select two clips and group them. Now if I move it, both are moving at the same time. And I can make this smaller so I can see the audio. For example, if I want to cut the audio here, I can cut it, and I can even trim it. So I trim both clips at the same time, and I can move it. So then you can see it.
So you can pick one of these, for example, and you can feel
the pillar echo effect is working.
the field.
And even with the zoom in. Okay, this is just a simple workaround. I don't know whether there's a better way to combine the transformer and the pillar echo effect in one clip. Anyway, the workaround is working. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.